Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build your first AI agent using Vertex AI Agent Builder. Before you begin, make sure you have a Google Cloud account with an active project and billing enabled. Now we are ready to create the agent. In the Google Cloud console, navigate to Vertex AI and click on Agent Builder. Click Create a new app. When asked to choose the app type, select Conversational Agent, also known as Chat App. This option allows users to interact using natural language. To make the agent knowledgeable, you need to connect data. During the setup flow, select Create Data Store. Choose your data source. You can select cloud storage if you have PDF or text files, website if you want to index a public URL, or BigQuery for structured data. Provide the required location, such as a storage bucket or website link. The system will index the content and use it to generate grounded answers. Now, design the agent's behavior. In the playbook or agent designer, write clear instructions that define how the agent should respond. You can also enable tools like Google Search or custom Python functions to extend its abilities. Use the simulator to test conversations and refine responses. When you are satisfied, click Publish. You can enable an unauthenticated API for testing or follow secure deployment steps for production use. Thanks for watching.